Let's get started.
Namaskar ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and we're going on a ride.
So we are already late and our ride buddies are waiting here. Let's meet them and let's leave for a ride.
Oh, that's real good.
Chalo, let's start our Sunday ride then. So today we are again going towards Satara side from the Bangalore highway. So same destination as we usually go. So we will first go to Kathras, then Kathras to Navle Bridge, and then we'll head towards Satara. We won't be going towards Satara. It's before the Kambaki Ghat. Let's see how does it goes, because we see little clouds. Today we'll probably mount this GoPro on Dharmabhai's helmet, and let's get an ASMR video of his Z900 with aero full system exhaust. Mr. Dharmabhai, this is what Z900 we have today with our ride. Where's your R15? So this is the lineup today. Jixer 250, R15, Bobber, GS, our Z9, the myth, the legend, the Dharmabhai, and one G310R.
We just had our short tea break. Now we are leaving for our destination. Let's continue our journey.
Beautiful.
Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
So ये हम पहुंच गए हमारे destination पे. I don't see any bikes.
Here we are.
बाकी भाई लोग कहाँ चले गए? I don't see anyone here. Seriously? They were way ahead of us. Oops, they're here. Not sure. I think they must have stopped somewhere. And GoPro भी डायरेक्ट धर्माभाई के हेलमेट पे ही स्टार्ट होगा रिटर्न जाते हुए.
हेलो, चलो लेट्स गो.
hello. Good afternoon. Sorry, good morning. So, in this video, we're testing the C30 connected to the GoPro. Let's see how the audio turns out to be. Shit, man, it just rained here. Oh. So there's a 10 street triple, another Z900, and just wait. Sanket bhai, अच्छा Sanket bhai switched bikes. So there's a CBR, two CBRs coming behind me. Street triple, यार it had started raining again, and पूरा चश्मे पे मेरे कीचड़ हो गया है, so I cannot even go fast now. Sanket bhai, I hope the audio is good here. But it's okay, we'll take it slow. बारिश हुआ है and the road is पूरा गीला फालतू में रिस्क हो जाएगा. होएगा ही नहीं, बस गाड़ी गंदा हो जाएगा यार. संकेत भाई द ओजी ओनर गोप्रो का. उनका तो मस्त टेल लाइट ही मडगार्ड सब लगा है. मेरा तो क्या हो रहा है भाई, गाड़ी का देखना पड़ेगा. बट इट्स ओके, राइड मजा आना चाहिए. थैंक गॉड बारिश नहीं हो रहा है, बस रोड गीला है. अदरवाइज गीला रोड देख के डर लगता है भाई. नो मैटर विच बाइक यू राइड और हाउ गुड ऑफ टायर्स यू हैव, स्कैरी. चलो ड्राई रोड्स अगेन. इधर शायद बारिश हुआ नहीं है. आई होप एग्जॉस्ट का अच्छा आवाज आ रहा है. रास्ते भाई इधर के. बारिश नहीं हो यार, आई डोंट नो, क्लाउड्स तो ग्रे है काफी। आई होप पुणे में बारिश नहीं होता होगा यार, पर जान दो, ऐसे गाड़ी गंदा तो होगी है, so doesn't matter. Let's see, अभी टनल में I'll start recording again. Let's see how it is, आवाज कैसा आता है. I hope ये wind noise उतना नहीं है. एक बार वाइजर बंद करके देखता हूँ, 1 सेकेंड. वाइजर क्लोजिंग नाउ. चल गोप्रो हिल गया लगता है भाई वाइजर के चक्कर में. अरे मैच, कोई इंडियन रोड्स यार, आई मीन पूरा रोड अच्छा होता है, कोई पैचेस की वजह से इतना फट जाता है ना. Like we are like doing 100 and 120 and suddenly we have to come back to 60 again, so it's very risky. फिर से गिले रोड्स. भाई very risky are these kinds of roads. Oh, again, let's slow down a bit. Okay.
Beautiful sunset here, isn't it? So the today's ride was. So as the battery of our GoPro drained out and it was basically mounted on Dharmabhai's helmet, I was not able to close the video. Our today's ride was amazing. We got the 2 new riding partners with us, and as usual, do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. So let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.